Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's update for SLP. And if you guys are not in the Discord, join me in the Discord. This was posted 20 of February. Today's 24. That by the look of things, Bitcoin might go below 37K. Sand has a technical target of 2.7. Solana has a technical target of $68. And Bitcoin needs to drop below 37K for all of this. So my Signal members have saved like all of this dump until now. They saved it, they knew it before time. And by the way, let's continue on. So here is your big resistance right there. And what did you do, guys? You made a fake out and then you came back below the resistance. Just look at that. So this was a fake out, guys. um, I did talk about a potential bear flag which didn't break to the downside. It didn't break to the downside. Instead, what you did is you break to the upper part of it, you went down, and now once again you are below the line. So this is not good, guys. This is not good. And if you've been following my videos for the past few days, I told you I'm really paying attention on the monthly time frame, and all I wanted on the monthly time frame is to see SLP making a bullish engulfing candle. I wanted to see SLP closing near the 26-27 region in the next 4 days. So the next 4 days are very important. Now there's one more possibility of an inverted hammer, which looks like this one, this candlestick right there, this one. So that's actually a little bit of a bullish candlestick. So if you do come down to the 16, 13, 14, you could still make an inverted hammer, and that will still be good. And if you make one inverted hammer, that will still be another good sign. But let me tell you one more thing. They can be invalidated, okay? It's not a confirmed thing, because I even made the video back when we were here that you can make an inverted hammer and pump by 80%, and we did that. So if you do make an 80% an inverted hammer like that, you could just make a quick pump to the upside and go down. Now how does that look in the smaller time frames? I'm going to tell you. My potential call is that SLP does something like this. I don't know if I'm going to be right or wrong, but I'm going to tell you the particular scenario of that one. So who knows? Come down to these levels like the 12 and the 13, make the inverted hammer, and then you make a big pump to this yellow line, right? To the 17. And that's the only pump that is expected. Boom, like a 28% pump in the next month. And then from there, you touch this line, and then the inverted hammer's work is done, and then you continue with the downtrend, even in March. Because things are not looking good. There's war going on. Russia is trying to fight with one another. So it's going to affect cryptocurrency. It's going to affect SLP. It's going to affect Bitcoin. Watch Bitcoin updates, okay? And regularly, every day. So anyway, if you've been following the channel, guys, congrats. Our entry was down here. We actually exited at nearly with 180%, and I was giving the targets of this 40 even to the upside. And after that one, you've even saved like some money from there to there, like 55% you've already saved if you've been following the channel, guys. I've been calling this one way up here with the head and shoulder scenarios. And the technical target of that head and shoulder is met. Look at that, it's really met. So that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.